Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper, and I am very glad to be back home again. I had a very good trip. I went with my sister out to San Diego to see our mom, who is now in hospice. It was kind of neat because I think with us being there, she did rally somewhat. I think she was eating better, and she really tried to spend some time visiting with us, and we had a good visit. And it was hard to leave her, but I stayed as long as I possibly could, and I can tell, gets very weak. She gets very tired. She's lost a lot of weight, but she's under very good care. She's got great people there taking care of her, and I think you're going to be able to see in these clips how kind they are and how nice it is there. I went with my sister Dana, and then our youngest sister, her daughter, Zoe, our niece, got to come out, and she really had a good visit with her grandma. I hadn't seen her in quite a while, so that was pretty neat. Also, I just dearly love my stepfather. He's really a delight, and I'm really glad to get to show some of him in this too. So I wanted to share this with you and a little bit about us being able to go out to see her. I was there for 2 weeks, and then I went back and landed once again up in the main area so I could help my sister sort through some things, and then she drove me home, which was really sweet of her. So we'll get started sharing some of these memories. Flying out of Boston. Logan Airport.
Tiny House Prepper.
There's a big old ship out there. Cool. As usual, a whole flock of cranes. Cranes like crazy. Nice clouds today.
No, you're talking about the pictures and like how you gotta figure out what you're looking at.
Oh, and that's interesting because that's exactly what I have to do. Let's look at it, see what it is I'm looking at.
It's kind of cool.
I have to concentrate on exactly what I'm trying to do.
Yeah.
And which camera that you want to try to do it with.
Well, yeah, that's always. Never know. I try and like keep my Minolta on me. It's just expensive.
Yeah,
It's
to
expensive
develop,
to
yeah.
develop the film, and like I don't.
Yeah.
Is that a Canon?
No, it's a Minolta. I got this for $3.50.
Oh, that's
But it's
cool.
a film camera, and it's hard to get film, and it's hard to get it developed anymore.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
And it's got a little light leak, but it's nice. It's like a nice.
Yeah,
light
it gives
leak.
an effect.
Yeah.
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 It's not, and it's like a full. It's not like a little bit. It doesn't have like spots where
Okay.
it's not
Right.
working. It's
It's
like overall,
Right.
it
it just kinda-
overexposes.
Right.
It's really so nice here. Look at the little Minnie Mouse. Henry's looking at a picture of one of those wonderful old-fashioned pictures that show like the Rat Pack that you can get. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's neat.
What? No. Waste of a picture on the phone.
I'm gonna take a picture of my iPhone.
Hey, hi.
Who loves Zoe? Oh, that's so sweet. Said one of those your mom.
Right? I know.
You met Mom at the senior center?
Yeah,
You said you met her there.
that's right there, yeah.
When did you realize you wanted to marry her?
Oh, when I saw her a few times, you know, we started dating.
First one that I danced with,
Mm-hmm.
and that was their signal. Did
There
you
you
sleep
go.
well last night?
Very well.
Good. Did you guys throw him in bed and say stay there?
Yes. You already know him. He's hard to keep there.
Henry was just saying he was going to use his red pen to give mom lipstick. Yes.
I like that name, Zenaida.
I
Yeah.
think it's Zenaida.
Probably is. It kind of looks like it was spelled like that.
Zenaida
That's
from
so,
San Diego.
it's so neat
I
that
wonder
they
if
can
she
help
married
those
her mom.
kids.
It's Zenaida from San Diego.
Always rhymes.
Looking from San Diego.
What was that clever thing I said today with Denata?
Denada Fada.
Oh yeah, yeah. He's like, Mucho Garcia, and whatever. And I'm going, Denata Fada. I was temporarily proud of myself.
Well, that's the Bowery boys. They call the priest Fada.
Hey,
Hey,
Fada.
Fada.
Hey, Fada.
He was like, hasta luego, Diego. I was like, hasta mañana, Iliana.
Hasta mañana, banana.
But then he was like, hasta mañana, Nana. Like, I could say that to you,
Yeah,
Grandma.
that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, you could say
Oh,
that
yeah,
to me.
Nana, yeah. I said that once to my mom. She said, "Don't ever say that to me again."
You know
So I just want to just come here.
Lunar que tiene cielito lindo junto a la boca. No se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo, que a mí. No, no me, your daughters. Oh, you got I'm gonna block the
Oh, that was great. Now, how many people get serenaded like that? Wow.
not very many.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo, los corazones. See, it says sing, sing, because if you cry, he says, it says there, ay, canta y no llores, porque cantando, because singing brings happiness into your heart, you know. That's what, it's a pretty song.
That's neat.
It is a beautiful song.
So that's what I'm gonna put into this video for this time. We will be, I'm gonna be putting another one out right away to kind of show the rest of it, but I wanted to just at least have this much ready to be able to show you guys. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do the liking, subscribing thing. It really does help us out. And thank you for your prayers and all of your really encouraging comments. Love you guys. Be blessed, and I will see you soon.